Hi guys, what you're going to see on the screen is my student who agreed to let me use her persuasive speech. Now I'm going to be showing you this, I'm going to be showing my hybrid classes and my online classes this. Now, of course, hybrid students, you're doing this in the classroom, and so yours will look a little different, but the formatting is the same. And what I want you to notice here is her very clear introduction. Her use of problem, solution, order in her central idea. You'll hear it. And then I'm going to fast forward a lot through the speech so you don't have to watch the whole thing. But I want you to hear the frequent citation of her sources as she explores the evidence that supports that this is a problem. And then I want you to listen to the evidence as she suggests solutions. And she's suggesting solutions from the experts. This is not her opinion, which makes for a solid persuasive speech. So I'll show you a little bit. I am going to fast forward through places, and then I will say a few things at the end.
If this drink can do this within 4 days, imagine what it does to your body. Today I will discuss why drinking too much soda causes health problems. I will cover why you need to stop drinking soda and how to solve this issue today. Growing up, I loved soda. Sundrop was my favorite.
Credentials.
Over the past several years, I discovered the harm soda causes on your body. I realized it was no longer worth it. Have you ever wondered how much sugar is in one can of soda?
This is her relate to audience.
How much sugar is in that drink? Now that you know what I will be discussing today, let's cover some issues of drinking soda. Drinking too much soda is causing health problems. According to prevention.com, soda is a waste product. If you were consuming 18 ounces of soda daily, that is increasing 225 calories to your daily consumption. The site also states within a month, which the Harvard School of Public Health also tracked 548 teens over 19 months and found that kids who drank sugary beverages regularly were more likely to be obese than kids who didn't drink type 2 diabetes than women who consumed less than one a month. This is the developing type 2 diabetes rates. Let's take a look. In less than 1 month, it was 1%. In 1 to 4 months, it went to 1.06%. And if you in soda is the chemical processing of ammonia and sulfates undergone by high temperatures and pressures. These chemical reactions conducted by governmental studies in mice and rats are linked to liver, lung, thyroid, and leukemia cancer. Imagine how it affects a rat. It affects you the same way. The acid in soda eats away dental enamel. According to foodrevolution.org, the pH level of carbonic acids. These acids make at least 3 liters of Coca-Cola per day. The site also states that due to a study in Denmark of 60,000 pregnant women, price increases on food that is not a price.
Let me go back lower.
And this is just an example of the amount of sugar added in the U.S. diet from 2004 to 2006. And you can see that soda, energy drinks, and sport drinks are at a 36% rate. Strong scientific evidence states this leads to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and other severe illnesses. Would this tax increase on sodas reduce obesity? If the price increases on food that is not a necessity, such as soda, people will not buy it. The site also states that economists have determined if the price was increased to 10.
Okay, I fast forwarded a little too much, but she had a transition in the middle, and she said now that we've looked at the problems, let's explore the solutions. And what she's covering right now are some solutions. She started with a governmental solution, so a broader solution, and that is taxing sugary drinks because they're not necessities. So that's what she's exploring right now.
The consumption of soda will decrease 10 to 12%. In order for this to work, it should be an excise tax, which means an indirect charge on a sale at the price of the drinks, which would cause people to think twice about purchasing. Increasing water consumption among school-age children. According to CDP,
now she's talking about what we can do in schools, and finally she'll explore what you can do as an individual, which of course her individual challenge is drink more water and less soda. So I am going to conclude this, and let me see if I can get to the end.
1.5 in 3 years. The site also states that by the third year, 400 of the Zuni high school students had not consumed soft drinks, a decrease from 800 to 400 students. The soft drinks were replaced by 150 gallons of water per week. Liver damage, bone loss, diabetes. Water is healthy, fresh, no sugar, thirst quenching, hydrogen, vital for life, clear, refreshing, and natural. Now that I've discussed some solutions to the problem, let's conclude. Today, I covered why drinking too much soda causes health problems. I covered why you needed to know to stop drinking soda and how to solve this issue today. Now, do you remember how much sugar is in 1 can of soda? When you have that sudden craving for a soda, just remember that a 20-ounce bottle of soda is equivalent to 17 teaspoons of pure sugar. My words to you are, rethink your drink.
All right, and she ended memorably. I did cut off the beginning, the attention getter. She was talking about how what happens when you actually put a nail in a can of soda and how it corrodes. And then she said, imagine what that's doing to your body. So again, this is just an example of the simplicity of problem solution order. However, it requires a lot of evidence. Remember, I'm looking for good statistical data. I'm looking for good examples. I'm looking for testimonials. You can have peer testimonials and you can have expert testimonials. She had several experts talking about what these beverages do to the body. What you didn't see was she did show a peer example of a mother sharing a picture of her child whose teeth were basically just rotten because of how much he consumed as far as soft drinks go. So hopefully this will give you a good example for putting together your speech. These do require a lot of time, research, and effort. So get started soon, and please let me know if you need help.